पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
Hi, this is Anand,
Hi, I'm Milind.
and we are the Indian music composer duo Anand Milind.
We've done almost 250 films, and I hope you have enjoyed all our songs.
So, when we started our career, I mean, it will be very difficult for people to believe. There was, forget Dolby, there was no stereophonic sound also. It was only about monophonic. And we used to record in studios. Everybody used to play at one go, 100, 125 piece orchestra, singers and all. And we hardly had any tracks.
And if one musician or either the singer or any one musician makes a mistake, we had to go through the whole track again. And then slowly as we kept working, we saw that big change in sound. From monophonic, songs were recorded in stereophonic and multi-tracks. So by the time we did this film Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak in 1987, recorded in multi-track. So we recorded about 24 to 30 different tracks and then mixed it together.
Our transition has been superb, from mono to stereo to digital to Dolby. And just now we just mixed the songs, and I really felt that I am listening to a new song, because there's so much of clarity and multi-dimensional sound that it's amazing. I mean, you have to experience it. You feel that you're inside the song, if I may say so. You know, the sound coming from here, so much of clarity. There was some percussion instruments and all, which probably while balancing the original track, we must have heard, and we got the same clarity again today. We could literally figure out so many percussion instruments, everything. I mean, it's an amazing experience.
You listen to sound which is absolutely lossless and crystal clear. And it's been a great experience mixing these songs in Dolby Atmos. I'm sure the audience, while listening to these songs, which I wouldn't call a remix or a recreation, because we've maintained the original tracks and we've maintained the originality of the song, and yet the sound is in Dolby Atmos. There are quite a few people in today's generation who might not be familiar with these songs, and for them I think it's going to be a great experience listening to hits of the 90s in Dolby Atmos.